Have you ever encountered bribery to get work done? Delays in justice? No accountability for wrongdoing? Misappropriation of funds? Public servant enriching himself? Goal of Lokpal is to hold government officials accountable. Lokpal, India's ombudsman to fight corruption. Corruption is a deadly disease which affects us, our society, our nation. But it is important that you know your rights as a citizen. Raise your voice. Report corruption in the office of Lokpal or through post or online. To lodge a complaint online with the Lokpal, visit the official website of Lokpal of India. Click on Lodge a Complaint button on the home page. Register with your mobile number and email ID. Log in with your details and choose what type of complaint you want to make. Fill the online complaint form with correct information, including personal details, type of complaint, and attach supporting documents, if any. Upload scanned copies of required documents or evidence in the prescribed format. Check the form carefully and ensure you have provided all the required information. Now upload the complaint. Note down the acknowledgement and reference numbers to track your complaint in future. The Lokpal will review your complaint and take action. Updates can be tracked through the portal. The identity of the complainant will be kept anonymous. Lokpal investigates complaints of corruption against officials who have done or are doing work related to the governance of the country, so that transparency and justice can be ensured. The powers of Lokpal include ministers up to the highest post, members of parliament, Group A, B, C and D officers, and employees of the central government, any board, corporation, authority, company or society formed under any act of the parliament, of which entire or part of budget comes from the government. Lokpal, a step towards India's corruption-free future. Because justice is your right and accountability is the key to it.